Hello, my name is Russ Teasdale. I'm the dentist here at Evolution Dental in Portland, Oregon, and I'd like to take a few moments out and explain to you the correlation between the temporomandibular joint, the muscles, and why Botox is so effective in treating most instances of TMJ. It's important to realize that most of the issues, most of the pain associated with TMJ does not come from the joint itself. Rather, it comes from the muscles that overlay the joint that become fatigued because they work overtime. Now, they work overtime because nature has people programmed so that when you close down, your lower jaw will be moved by the muscles to where the greatest number of teeth hit together at the same time. This is an obvious benefit in chewing. However, if that position where the greatest number of teeth hit together is not the same anatomical position as where your joints are centered evenly on both sides, then the muscles are working overtime to try and position the jaw every time you eat or sneeze or lift weights or do anything that causes your teeth to come together. When the muscles work overtime, or they haven't been worked out for a while, they develop lactic acid. Just like in the gym, just like when you use a muscle group that you haven't used for a while, you know it the next couple of days. Well, the problem is with your temporomandibular joint, you're using it all the time. And people grind and they clench when they're asleep. And that every time they do that, these muscles build up lactic acid and they never get a rest. So they can never resorb that lactic acid. Now, what Botox is Botox is basically a way of turning down the muscle activity, a dimmer switch, if you would, to cut the muscle activity by 30, 50, 70%. That's critical because that basically means that you're not producing lactic acid at the same rate and you're absorbing it at a much faster rate. So the pain goes away as the muscles relax and as the lactic acid diminishes. This is a wonderful treatment. It happens almost immediately. Within a day or two, you should notice major results. And it has the benefit that lasts for 3 whole months. So you have 90 days of bliss, during which time we can work together to figure out how to resolve your problem long term. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call at Evolution Dental in Portland. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, and I hope that you found this a bit informative. Thank you so much. It was nice chatting.